If you're getting the error message in Roblox, your chat settings prevent you from sending messages, then keep watching as I'm going to show you how to fix this. So it's nice and straightforward. You just need to head over to an internet browser. And we're going to head over to roblox.com. Once you're logged into Roblox, head over to the settings icon in the top right hand side. Click on settings. From the left-hand navigation, select privacy, and then right at the top you'll see account restrictions, and we'll have this option for account restrictions are enabled. So if you're getting this chat features are disabled message, then you'll need to make sure account restrictions are turned off like so. Now if you do have a PIN code set up on your account, you might need to enter this as well here. And once you've turned this off, we're then going to scroll down to communication, and you need to change this from custom to default. And what that's going to do is it's just going to also change all of the settings down here, and it's just going to make sure that these are its least most restrictive settings. So once you've changed these settings, you can then head back inside of a Roblox game. And now you can see if I come over to the chat and start typing, then that works without any error messages. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.